Welcome to our 17th Do-It-Yourself podcast video on Excel. My name is Deborah Jean, and my friends, they call me DJ. And I'm from Accounting Business Solutions by JCS. Our goal is to provide you with the tools to assist your organization to reach the next level of success. We specialize in Sage 50, Sage 100, QuickBooks accounting and software, and so much more. So let's begin. Today we are going to be reviewing page layout. Excel 2013 page layout view gives you an instant access to the paging of the current worksheet. Activate this feature by clicking on the page layout view button to the immediate left of the zoom slider on the status bar, or by clicking the page layout view command button on the ribbons view tab. So let's take a look at that. I've made an Excel spreadsheet so we can get a review. Okay, so for page layout, what we're going to do is you've got your home section in your ribbon bar, your insert, and your page layout. Let's go ahead and click on page layout. Okay, first what we want to do is we're going to go into our chart and click anywhere and hit Control P. That is going to show us our chart to date. Okay, and you can see down here, for whatever reason, it says 1 through 4, so some of it is going on the next page. Not good. Okay, so let's go back to our document and do a few little bit of adjustments here. Let's move up page 6. Let's take this arrow and make it a little bit smaller, and we can move up. I'm sorry, did I say page 6? I meant line 6. Okay, so we can go ahead and adjust that just a little bit. Okay, let's scroll down on that chart, and we can make this heading a little bit smaller. What I'm trying to do is just kind of fit it all on one page, so it's not going on to page 2. I'm going to do a Control Save. I'm going to click on line 28, move that up a little bit, see if that will help. Now, what I want to show you on this page layout, on A30 and 31, see this broken line down here going across? What that means is that's page 1, and this right here is going to be on page 2. Not good. So let's go into orientation and do it as a portrait. Okay, let's see, Control P. Let's see if it's fitting all on one page. Okay. Okay, 2 of my columns are going on page 3. So what I need to do, okay, let's use the back arrow at the top left. Now, what that means is I need to make my columns not as wide. So to do that on the page layout, what I'm going to do is grab this line right here and move it over a little bit. I'm going to move each column over just a little bit to change that page layout and make those columns just a wee bit smaller. Now let's scroll down to the bottom of the page and make sure all the columns are in. Let's say this column right here, if it's too small, your totals will turn out as hashtags. So what you want to do is take a look at your widest amount. Okay, and let's do a Control Save, because it might be just perfect now. Orientation, it's still portrait. And let's do a Control P. Okay, all right, so as we can see, we still have the 1 month of April going off the chart. So let's take this column here and move this over a little bit. Let's scroll down and make sure that none of our items, let's move 28 down just a tad. There, and let's move the word general over. See, as you go along, you can make changes however you wish, and you can tweak them, which is a good thing. Okay, Control Save. Now let's go page layout, orientation, portrait, good. Let's go ahead and do a Control P to see what that chart looks like. Oh, now again, it's still taking April and shoving it onto the next page. So go back again, not a problem. Okay, and let's make that, Control S, let's make that a little smaller yet. Scroll down, make sure nothing got cut in half or thrown anywhere. Okay, now let's do a Control P, and there we go. January, February, March, and April are all on there. I see a little craziness here with this arrow up top, so let's make a quick adjustment there. Scroll up to the top. See, for page layout, you can change anything that you wish. Okay, Control Save. Okay, now let's do a Control P, and there we go. Okay, you've got your headings, your contact information, and the whole chart is there. Okay, so that looks good. So if we were all done with the chart and we double checked everything, we could go ahead right here and hit print. So that's page layout. Okay, so you can, let's see, we don't want to change the size or anything. Actually, I'm thinking the portrait size looks just fine. Okay, so let's go ahead and hit Control S. Again, save all your work in case of a power failure so you do not lose anything. Okay, let's go back to the page layout section. Okay, there are excuse me, there's many things that Excel has to offer to reach the next level of success and produce extremely professional documents. We have a list where you can review them as many times as you wish. Our clients, they are our number one concern, and your success is our goal. We are sure that these podcast videos and future ones will add to your knowledge of this incredible program. Thank you so much for taking the time to invest in your future and learn just a little more about Excel. We will provide you with a complimentary business review for your next accounting software solution. We will determine your needs and wants for now and in the future to help your growth and to customize a package that perfectly fits your needs and allow you the future growth that you deserve. With Excel and several other programs, excellent training, and the daily support that you may need with solutions for your everyday business needs. These will help streamline and also help you be more cost efficient. We'd like to take this time to say thank you for joining our podcast from the team at Accounting Business Solutions by JCS. This is DJ signing off from Basic Introductions to the Excel Program. Have a wonderful day and check out the next podcast at your convenience. Bye now.